What you think, big guy? You gonna play today? You want some of these? You want some of these? Want some of these? Some of these? Get switch. Yes, good boy. Haven't done this in a while. Good. That's what I do, right? So I'm a binge brain. Switch. Yes. I can't move. I'm a binge brain, so I work on something and then I leave it alone. I work on something pretty hard, then I leave it alone for a while. Good. Switch. Yes. I think that's what I gotta do, right? Switch. Yes. You throw it, right? Switch. Yes. Aha, there we go. Good boy. Yeah. Switch. Yes. I think that's more of an out, right? Switch is when you stay tugging. It's whatever you make the pattern for, bro. So goofy. He's a goofy boy. Want to make him run? Act like you're going to get him. Give me that. Want to make him come to you? Come. Get a pat on his booty. Come on. Give me that. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, very nice. All right. Switch. Yes. There's got to be some kind of movement. Get it. Switch. Yes. Good. Good job. Out. Yes. That's the way I was supposed to be doing it. When you throw the toy, it's not a switch. Switch. Yes. Good. Very nice. Switch. Yes. Good. Stupid leg, man. Right? Get it. And then you out. Yes. I'm doing pretty good with my markers though. Good boy. Yeah. Out. Middle. Nope. Good boy. Down. Yes. Na 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 na. He's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Get that thing. Switch. Yes. Nice. He waited for the yes. I don't know how we worked that, but somehow we did. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, get it. Oh, you're so strong. Give me that back. Oh, give me that. Oh, you're so strong. Strong boy. Okay. I tried to flip it up and messed him up. Huh. I mess you up by flipping it up. Right? Ready? Out. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. Break. Oh, I tried to throw one, I threw them both. Break them backwards. So his shoe update, he got one of my rain shoes. Actually, he got both of them pretty good. Little puncture holes in them. They're not going to be very good for rain anymore. They're different than my other shoes he was getting and just putting on the dog bed. He wasn't chewing them. The rain shoes, they're like the, you know, the rubber stuff. So it's like his toys. Hey. Yeah, good boy, right here. Right here, right here. Give me that. Ha ha, good boy. Our friend with the Pyrenees walking by back there. Get it. Oh yeah, get it. Get it. Get it. Good boy. Yeah. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. What's up, buddy? Ready, out, sit. Good, I almost helped too soon. Break. You don't want to break? Oh, look. So the shoe thing, what else? Leash, I need to start leash working. He does so good most of the time. Sometimes that's part of the puppy, right? I said, what did somebody say recently? I saw they're learning until a year old, right? I mean, they're always learning. That's what I was always told. They're always learning, always trying to get away with stuff. So you got to stay on them. Good boy. Stay on your rules. They get really good, and then they might occasionally try to push the boundaries. That's what we all do, right? I need to put them on I had to do a couple go-gets with them lately, because I've been doing some on the leash when we cruise out on the long line and some off. These are good boys. Freebies. That's what I need to do now, is to go put that long line on. Do some recall work. And I can work on my long line skills. Improving them. That was only 7 minutes, dude.